How to send videos from camera roll as Snap on Snapchat. First of all, head over to your application Snapchat and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on the source icon at the bottom. It will land you on this interface. In the source bar, search for video upload. It will show you tons of different filters. You can head over to any one of it from here. Let me move into the very first one. So right here in this section, it will show you all of the videos that are stored into your gallery. You can slide all the way to the left in order to see more. From here, tap on the video that you want to send it as a snap. Once you have selected the video, tap and hold to record this video. So there you go, the video has been recorded. And you can see that it looks like you have just recorded this video. Now you can edit this video with all of this feature right here. Tap on this icon right here. Let me add one timer to this snap. You can place this time anywhere on the screen. Once you are done, just tap on next at the bottom right corner. Now you can send this snap to any person that you want on Snapchat and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can send videos from camera roll as a snap on Snapchat. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.